Want to bring that showroom shine and luster back to your stainless steel finishes? You need Flitz stainless steel polish and protectant. With advanced hydrophobic nanoceramic properties, the water-based formula keeps your finishes looking top-notch for up to 6 months. Excellent on brushed, polished, or colored stainless steel. Use indoors and out, protecting your appliances, barbecues, and more. The exclusive Flitz formula resists stains, fingerprints, pollen, oxidation, dust, grime, and more. Just spray on and wipe off with a Flitz microfiber cloth. It's just that fast. Protect your surfaces today with Flitz stainless steel polish and protectant.
This is a stainless steel chrome cleaner that Flitz makes, and we also have a stainless steel chrome polish protectant. Now these are two different products, and the reason why we make two different ones, the cleaner is a cleaner degreaser. It's taking off the oil, the grease, especially on a barbecue grill, or if you have appliances where you have little children and fingerprints. You simply spray this on, and you simply wipe it and dry it. But many times people want a little more long-term protection, especially against fingerprints in the kitchen. So that's where using a polish protectant comes in. This is a more diluted version of the regular sealant that we sell. So this is used for everyday, basically maintenance once a week or so if you want to just spray a little bit on. Take the microfiber, wipe it off, and now you end up with a protective finish and a shine, but without any oil and without any grease. No fingerprints, no smearing, things like this.